Welcome everyone to part 10 of our Python basics tutorial. In this tutorial, I will introduce you with Python break, continue, pass statements. So, loop control statements change execution from its normal loop sequence. When execution leaves a scope, all automatic objects that were created in that scope are destroyed. Python supports break, continue, and pass control statements. Using them, we can leave loop, go back to the beginning of the loop, or skip certain code. So I'll begin with break statement. Break statement terminates the current loop and resumes execution at the next statement, just like the traditional break statement in C language. The most common use for break is when some external condition is triggered requiring to exit from a certain loop. The break statement can be used in both while and for loops. If you are using nested loops, the break statement stops the execution of the innermost loop and starts the execution then the next line of the code after the block. So here's an example of break statement. If you write for letter in Python word, we then write if letter, for example, equal to O, we break the statement. Else, after this, we print something like current letter is equal to letter. And let's run this example. Build. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. So you can see that in a print shell, this will only print pth word, which each letter in new line, and there were no other O and N letters. Next, we can talk about continue statement. So continue statement returns cursor to the beginning of the while loop. The continue statement rejects all the remaining statements in the current iteration of the loop and moves the control back to the top of the loop. So the continue statement can be used in both while and for loops. So here's an example for we'll write the same example. If O is equals to, so this will change to continue, and we'll print current letter of letter, save and build. So in this example, in a print shell, this will only print Python word, which each letter in a new line, and will skip O letter in the whole word. As you can see, there is no O letter. And next, as I was telling you in the beginning, is the third statement is pass. So pass is used when the statement is required, but you don't want to any command or code to execute at that moment. So the pass statement is a null operation, and nothing happens when it is executed. The pass statement is mostly useful in places where your code will eventually go and do something, but has not been written yet. So you only think about your structure of code and where you'll write or do something, but you're not sure what at that moment. So again, we'll continue with an example. We here write a pass, and well, we're in a new print word, and here we can write this. This is pass statement line, for example, and let's build it. And in a print shell, this will print Python word, which each letter in a new line, and after H letter, it will print, this is the pass statement line. Usually, if we are using if statement, we must add something what our statement will do, but sometimes as I told you before, we don't know what our code will do there yet. In this case, we can add pass statement as here. And also we can remove this line and run code again. So it will work just fine as it is, as it will work without this if statement. So that's it for this video. I hope that this was useful for you. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in comment section below this video. If you liked my video, smash up the likes button and subscribe my channel. Then you'll get more of my videos. Text version of this tutorial and links are left in video description. Thank you all for watching, good luck, and see you in the next video.